The United Nations and the International Cooperative Alliance have been setting the theme for the celebration of International Day of Cooperatives through the Committee for the Promotion and Advancement of Cooperatives, a multi-stakeholder partnership of global, public and private institutions. This year, we are celebrating the International Day of Cooperatives on 4th July. What is International Day of Cooperativeness? On December 16, 1992, the United Nations General Assembly proclaimed in resolution the first Saturday of July 1995 to be the International Day of Cooperatives, marking the centenary on the establishment of the International Cooperative Alliance since 1995. Who established the International Day of Cooperativeness? The International Day of Cooperativeness is an annual celebration of the cooperative movement that takes place on the first Saturday of July every year. By campaigns and supports people-centered and self-sustaining cooperative enterprises as leaders in the sustainable development. The International Cooperative Alliance is a foundation member organizing institutions agree on a theme for the celebrations. When and why did the International Day of Cooperatives started? The aim of this celebration is to increase awareness of cooperatives. The event underscores the contributions of the cooperative movement to resolving the major problems addressed by the United Nations and to strengthening and extending the partnerships between the international cooperative movement and other actors.
What is the main motto of International Day of Cooperativeness? The Sustainable Development Goals are a universal call to action to end poverty, protect the planet, and ensure that all people enjoy peace and prosperity. It is freedom for people to express their concern, organize, and participate in decision making. To protect the interests of the weaker sections of the society, the concept of cooperation emerged, which has the motto each for all and all for each, and self-help through mutual aid. What is the historical perspective of International Day of Cooperativeness? Decent work is equality of opportunity and treatment for all people. Decent work is the precondition for social justice. Despite progress, too many people around the world still face unemployment and poor working conditions. At the same time, new forces like technological device, globalization, demographic shift are transforming the world of work. but also a great number of challenges. One of the ways we can overcome these challenges is through cooperation